Hi, and welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today's video, we're going to talk about on how to archive your space on ClickUps. Maybe you want to archive your space on ClickUps because you don't need it at the moment. So today, I am going to teach you on how you can archive your space on ClickUp. Check the video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So without further ado, let's get into the video. First you need to do is to open your ClickUp application. Once you open your ClickUp application, you'll be directed to your home page. And as you can see below, the notification icon, search icon, and then this dotted icon. And then here, to archive your space, simply tap on this three lines icon at the upper left corner of your screen. And you will see here your home, notifications, favorites, spaces, dashboards, and docs. And then here, to archive your spaces, simply tap on this space and choose the space you want to archive. For example, this one, simply tap on it and this one. And then once you are in the space, simply tap on this three dots icon at the upper right corner of your screen. And then in here, you'll see your space name and below that the action. And under the action, you'll see here the archive option. Simply tap on this archive. As you can see, space archive. There you go. If you wanted to know on how to archive your space on ClickUps, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way on how you can archive your space on ClickUps, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.